Namaste Delhi, hello Delhi, and we bring to you this special edition of Poll Pulse, feeling the pulse of the poll-bound Delhi. Delhi, the heart of the nation, here from the Central Park in iconic Connaught Place, which is, by the way, also central to the very charm of Delhi. Poll Pulse gets you the pulse of the electorate of Delhi. And especially whenever we have spoken about elections in Delhi, we do believe and we do know that the poll results here in Delhi in the last so many decades hold a big sway when it comes to who holds the power in center. So is this going to be a hat-trick of sorts for the BJP, considering the stupendous performance we have seen in the last two editions, that is 2014 and 2019? Or perhaps it's going to be a big surprise where the so-called India Alliance or the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress combined, joining hands, will dislodge the Bharatiya Janata Party, the ruling dispensation. All that we're going to talk about in this edition of Poll Pulse from National Capital, New Delhi. It's clearly a capital contest, and on your screens we are going to flash these big talking points around which some hard talk and hard conversations are going to take place. Now, question number one on your screens: can Aam Aadmi Party and Congress alliance and the release of Aam Aadmi Party Supremo dampen BJP's prospects? We also ask, can BJP complete hat-trick course in these elections, in Delhi in particular? And then we ask and examine, will India bloc, after alter BJP's winning record in Delhi, the so-called India Alliance, can they actually disrupt the winning streak of Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi? And also, will Aam Aadmi Party's corruption taint impact its political fortunes? And most importantly, one big question: has Aam Aadmi Party become a liability of sorts for the opposition alliance, given the recent scandals, the recent corruption taints, particularly on their top leadership? All that and much more. But before I introduce my high-powered Delhi panel, let's take a look at Delhi Dilwalon Ki, India's heart, India ki dil ki dhadkan, what Delhi is all about, its culture, its cuisine, and especially the pulse of the people of our very own Delhi. Delhi, or Delhi, as it is called in colloquial language, feels the heartbeat of India, thus reflecting the larger Indian sentiment. And that could be one of the reasons why it is the capital of the country. Delhi has a legacy. It has been the most important political center since time immemorial, and also the capital of various empires. On May 25th, Delhi is going to witness a capital contest, a fierce fight between the BJP on one hand and the opposition helmed by Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in the national capital. So besides its legendary legacy, Delhi, or Delhi as they call in colloquial language, is very famous for its bustling marketplaces and its mouth-watering eateries. And here we are in Bengali Market. Those who are from Delhi would know why and what makes Bengali Market very special, especially for its amazingly appetizing chaat paparis. So what is the pulse of Delhi? Why are these elections important?
Pulse seems to be really hot these days, and everybody's looking forward to who's gonna make it. And all the Delhiites, they're looking for some nice things to happen. Be it the development or the facilities. And rest, it's all in front of you. The media knows it better.
What do you think makes Delhi so special?
Delhi Walon ki hai. It is like the heartbeat of being the capital of the country. And Delhi, of course, we have just 7 seats in the Lok Sabha elections, but they are really important.
What makes these Delhi elections very, very keenly watched?
Because of the reason that it is the capital of India, and also the main center of election hub, power and the collision of Congress and Aam Aadmi Party against BJP, the main highlight in Delhi elections, because never in Delhi happened that two parties are collated together against BJP. Although BJP has not won much in Delhi, but it will be great to see the collision of Congress and Aam Aadmi Party against BJP.
So 25th, when you will go to vote, and many like you and entire Delhi will go to vote, what do you think are the issues that are going to play on your mind?
As per the Delhi government, the issues are very simple. The medical and the transport department in Delhi, they are facing many issues previously also. So we will see that if BJP will win in center, then they should help Delhi government. If there is BJP or AAP, the central government must help the Delhi government in redressing those issues.
I spoke about eateries in Delhi. They have a very unique peculiarity attached to them. And ये कोलकाता पान है भैया जो आप बना रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, क्या
बताइए इसके बारे में।
मीठा पत्ता।
मीठा पत्ता कोलकाता पान। आप दिल्ली से हैं?
हाँ जी, दिल्ली से।
अच्छा, आप वोट करेंगे?
हाँ, बिल्कुल करेंगे।
How important it is to vote for every citizen, why voting is such a vital and powerful tool, is at least in Delhi as an electorate reiterated in every nook and corner. We are here in Bengali Market, and these are the types of posters that are splashed all over the shops here. Every election is determined by the people who show up, quoting Larry J. Sabato. Value your constitutional right, go out and vote. And this is interesting, voting is your right and your duty. Use your right, fulfill your duty. And fulfilling a duty, महिलाओं के लिए भी ये ड्यूटी फुलफिल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैम, आपको क्या लगता है 25 मई को महिलाएं भी बड़ी तादाद में बाहर आएंगी वोट करने के लिए दिल्ली में?
महिलाओं को वोट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि उनकी सुरक्षा वोट में ही है। वोट करेंगी तो उनको सुरक्षा मिलेगी, इसीलिए वोट ज़रूर करना चाहिए महिलाओं को।
ये दिल्ली जो है ना, ये प्रधान है, ये देश की राजधानी है। ये यहाँ से पूरा देश चलता है, और यहाँ जो भी गद्दी पे बैठेगा वो प्रधान कहलाएगा। चाहे मोदी साहब बैठे, चाहे राहुल जी बैठे, चाहे केजरीवाल। हम चाहते हैं हमारा प्रधान जो है वो उसको फॉलो करे और इस दिल्ली को दिल्ली बना के रखे। तो जो देश को चलाएगा उस आदमी को देखना तो पड़ेगा ना आपको, और बिना वोट दिए आपको नई बात बनेगी। वोट तो आपको सभी को देना चाहिए, चाहे दुनिया में कोई भी आदमी हो।
So the political discourse of the Delhi contest is largely dominated by two big questions. Question number one, will BJP actually get to complete its hat-trick spree of wins in the national capital? And secondly, will the corruption taint of the Aam Aadmi Party, or the corruption-tainted image of the opposition Aam Aadmi Party, impact its political fortunes in these elections?
With camera person Rajesh Riki, Sakal Bhatt reporting from New Delhi for DD India.
So this sort of has given us an idea where these elections are going to go, in which direction, especially when it comes to the decisive issues. And some very pointed questions are waiting. I also take this opportunity before I welcome my panelists, my lovely audience, students, members from the civil society who have come from Delhi and NCR to be part of this show, because you are going to ask questions and I am here to ensure that your questions get the right answers, or the answers perhaps. And to do so, let me quickly introduce my high-powered panel. And smiling all the way from the Congress party is Neeraj Mishra ji. Thank you very much, Neeraj ji. And with the Neeraj Mishra is the most dynamic face of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who needs no introduction, Charu Pragya, fiery Charu Pragya. And next to Charu Pragya is Akil Khan, who is all set with a lot of ammunition, it seems, for both of not both, but at least for the Charu. He leans towards Aam Aadmi Party. And at the far end, on the right side of the right, we have Sanjay Rana, political analyst, who is going to join me. Our pleasure always. Who's going to join me in throwing some big barbs and questions at all of them. And Congress, I would like to start with you. There has been this conversation recently that all is not brewing well between you and the Aam Aadmi Party, the top leadership there and the top leadership here. I think I don't have to take names, you've already guessed it, though he's now out of the jail on bail. But then there were a lot of speculations whether your boss and Aam Aadmi Party boss will share the stage in the rally and all of that. What is happening? Let's have some clarity.
Sakal, everything is clear for the people to see. The first rally which we had in Delhi, in Ramlila Maidan, it was organized by Aam Aadmi Party. And you had Mrs. Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and Priyanka Gandhi on that stage. Though Arvind Kejriwal was in jail at that point in time, but the Supreme Court, which is the beacon at this point in democracy, gave relief to Arvind Kejriwal, and he's out now. But I'll tell you something which is different and very close to us. 428 seats have polled as of now. And we at India Alliance know that we have crossed the majority mark right now.
Already you do.
Already.
Okay.
And
Wow.
Delhi is no
I didn't
different.
know that you're a part-time cephalogist.
No, but we always track the pulse. Like you have the poll pulse.
Sir,
All the politicians track
Abhi
the pulse
Delhi
of this
bahut dur
nation.
hai.
No,
There are
Sakal,
three
I'll tell
more
you.
phases to
Sakal,
go.
I'll tell you
Yes.
why. What has happened? In last 10 years, the inflation has actually kamartodo India's middle class.
I'll go back to my first
Yeah.
question, the line. We'll talk about corruption, inflation, etc.
Yeah.
Is everything well with you and
Yes,
Aam Aadmi
yes.
Party?
On
There are
all
no
the-
fissures.
No, on
Remember, there are questions waiting for you.
yes, yes, and we are ready to answer all the questions.
You have
on
no option.
on
Can I
all
answer that?
7 seats.
Okay.
The India Alliance parties
Huh.
and their workers
Huh.
are working in tandem.
Okay.
Whether it is Northeast Delhi, whether it
So
is
the
West
relationship
Delhi,
is going strong.
it is good. The
Okay.
people of
Is
this
it going
state,
strong?
yes, it is. It
What is
is.
going strong?
The relationship between all the India Alliance parties is as good as it can be.
I want
and
to
we
know
are
the
going to win
relationship
all the
between
7 seats.
Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party.
I'll give you one small example.
You still haven't answered
No,
my
no.
question.
Sakal,
Is the relationship going strong between Congress
People
and Aam
of
Aadmi
Delhi
Party?
have
Yes or no?
told us
Yes
that
or
they
no?
have mandated
Yes or
us
no?
that
Yes
we are
or
going.
no?
Yes,
Give
it
me-
is. It
okay,
is.
okay, okay,
There is
okay.
no.
BJP finds
There
it
is not a
amusing.
fickle doubt in that.
BJP finds it.
afterthought in admitting that the
No, Charu.
relationship is. But let me tell you how strong this incredible relationship is. It's so strong that Aam Aadmi Party and Congress decide not to contest together in Punjab. It is so strong that when the liquor scam investigation started, Congress was jumping up and down trying to take credit for opening that investigation. It is so strong currently कि इनके chief minister from Punjab says एक थी Congress. It is so strong that Adhir Ranjan ji actually puts a big fat cross on every
So
single
she's in a way
statement made by the
elaborated
Aam
my
Aadmi
question.
Party. But the relationship is going strong.
So, Sakal, in Punjab, we are the principal opposition party. And this has been established that BJP is not opening their tally in Punjab. So whoever wins in Punjab,
established
it comes.
this? They
The people of Punjab
No,
has
he's
established
winning
this.
also already.
So
They know the
all
result.
the
Two more
seats which are
phases to
coming,
go,
it is
he's
coming
winning
to
also.
India's kitty.
Okay.
So it is a friendly fight there in the sense that the principal opposition
What's a
party
friendly fight?
who holds light to these people that if you do something wrong, Congress is there. And
Okay,
also
okay.
one more thing in that liquor scam thing, we are not like BJP. We don't have a dhobi ghat or a washing machine that any partner who comes to us, we'll tell them that now you are our partner, we'll let you go. After 4th of June also, when we come to power, that investigation will still continue. And if Mr. Kejriwal or anybody is found guilty,
Sharu, you want to respond?
It will
Yes,
take
yes,
its
I
course.
want to
Yes.
respond to a lot of these things. See, their relationship is wonderful. Like the relationship with TMC, they are going strong now. It's a friendly fight everywhere. It's a friendly fight with the left in Kerala also. In the same way, they have a friendly
you-
fight.
you-
but
I'll-
most
I'll-
importantly, I'm going to call my colleague from Congress here, Mungeri Lal. And Mungeri Lal is
Haseen
famous for
Sapne.
seeing Haseen Sapne.
Neil, what about your Haseen Sapne? BJP, why are you so always supremely confident? Talking about the confidence, I think 6 out of 7 faces in these elections are fresh. What happened? I mean, I understand you want to give opportunity and all of that, but crowd puller, campaigners, they say they don't have much. Okay.
Sakal, let's make one thing very
Let's
clear.
talk about your Haseen Sapne.
We will
also.
only talk about our sapne. And our sapne is to create a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And we are going to do whatever it takes on the ground to turn our dream into a reality. We are committed to that. That is Modi ki guarantee. And we are all working, all 20 crore of us, 1000% behind our Prime Minister to turn his vision into reality.
Sakal,
the second
the
thing
Prime
is,
Minister
I am
missed
not
his deadline.
speaking
In
out of
2014 it was
merely-
about
Ek minute,
2024.
Neeraj ji, you had
Now
your say.
2047,
You had your say, let me have my
Mr.
say.
Prime Minister
We are
is not
talking
going
about
to
a
be there for
developed
next
Bharat.
20
It doesn't
years.
matter.
So that
It
goalpost
doesn't
which has
matter.
been
The Prime
shifted.
Minister has a
Point.
vision for the country. The Prime Minister has a vision for the country. The Prime Minister is not a Rahul Gandhi कि मैं जब तक मरूंगा मेरे साथ देश भी मरना चाहिए. That's not our ideology.
That's why the Prime Minister was saying, I cannot make everybody poor.
My confidence comes from the fact that we put in the hard work every single day, day after day, year after year. We are not the kind of a party which sleeps for 4.5 years, suddenly wakes up and says, हम तो कांग्रेस से हम चुनाव जीत रहे हैं. That's the number one thing. The second thing is whichever parameter you look at in this country, go meet normal people. Go meet normal people and ask them, घर के बाहर सड़क बनी कि नहीं बनी? बोलेंगे हाँ. Go ask them, आपके घर में, आपके गांव में नल से जल आया कि नहीं? They will say हाँ आया. Did their village get electrification? Yes, they did. The number of airports have increased, have doubled. How has all of this
वो तो
happened?
रैली में आम आदमी पार्टी सुप्रीमो केजरीवाल जी भी कल कह रहे थे कि मैंने आपके लिए स्कूल बनाए, मैंने आपके लिए सड़कें
स्कूल का
बनाई.
नाम बताओ. एक स्कूल का नाम बताओ. Now their own RTI report admits that they have not even one school in Delhi.
Let's move on. Do you think that Swati Maliwal case has spoiled the game for you? Because Congress also wants an investigation. मैंने यहाँ से कुछ हाँ सुना. I think यहाँ से ही कुछ ऐसा ही सवाल आने वाला था. तो ये बताइए कि आपके लिए ये कितना it's a big embarrassment for you?
Okay, give me some time. Swati Maliwal case is a very, very tribal issue. It's concocted by BJP. She has been implicated by ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau. In fact, it is the authorized corruption bureau of BJP now. She has been implicated with that, and BJP is, you see, for so many years, you can see the BJP record. They are picking up the people and they are implicating in various cases, false cases. All opposition members, so many, there are many hundreds you will find in all over India. They are putting.
I have a very simple question. You're derailing my question. Aam Aadmi Party, Charu, please.
Madam,
Charu, let
if
me
you
do my
will
job.
not give me time, then
I'm giving you
there
time.
is no-
I want an answer.
I will have to reply your total question. I will give
Yes.
reply.
Please don't
give
go
me
back
time.
to the history.
You see,
Swati
what is the
Maliwal,
responsibility of a prime minister towards the country? He
It
is
is-
not doing any. You see, for 10 years,
Mr.
BJP
Khan,
has not done anything.
my
2047,
question is
Mungeri Lal,
about
and
women's
1947,
safety.
they
You see,
have
by
done nothing.
shouting, by
you
shouting,
see, and Maliwal
you
case,
cannot-
like this Maliwal case, they
by
are putting just
shouting-
to divert the real attention. Bijli, Pani, Shiksha, Swast, Rozgar,
तो-
Mahila
तो
Sashaktikरण,
Miss
they
Swati is
have
lying.
failed. Modi
Okay.
ji is going
Okay.
162 below,
Okay.
below 162. That's
Okay.
why he is
Okay.
scared. What is 400, 400 par?
Okay.
अरे मोदी जी, आपकी बात समुंदर पार.
Okay. This over obsession with the Prime Minister of the country, I fail to understand. We have done so many shows, my dear friends. Whenever they get cornered, particularly the opposition, then they switch gears and then they start giving an endless speech as if they are addressing a rally against Prime Minister Modi. Fine. Now, coming back to Swati Maliwal.
Now, I will tell her.
If you have...
I will give her. Swati Maliwal was with me for so many years. She was there from India Against Corruption. Not showing, but some time he was coming. She was coming, and she was requesting to us all. Oh, please, connect me to Arvind Kejriwal, please. And she started following Arvind Kejriwal. Now you see,
gave her
when
Rajya Sabha
Arvind
seat.
Kejriwal got the summons from this liquor case,
by
this
maligning-
illegal liquor case, they
by maligning
Swati
somebody's
Maliwal went
image
out
who
of
is
the
not
country.
physically present
You
here
see.
is not appropriate, and the same person has been your own, and Congress is nodding to that. And Congress is nodding to that, and you have been party to this whole banter that इसमें investigation होना चाहिए. क्या चल रहा है आप लोगों के बीच में?
अरे
You're making
देखिए,
fool of people.
investigation
Sakal.
is totally false. This is a
Sakal.
created case by
Congress.
Mr.
Sakal,
Mr.
clearly
Modi.
said-
He
Again,
is
Mr. Modi.
scared. He is
Sakal.
scared, and he is creating so many cases. Not only
I have to go to the other case.
Maliwal.
we
she is
cannot-
the-
You have no answers.
We
Friend
cannot
indeed is
demonize
friend.
the complainant in this matter.
No, and they are demonizing their own complainant,
I'll
and
tell you.
fantastic on the national
This-
television.
this-
You're demonizing your own
This
own family.
approach cannot go,
No.
and it is not
You
a
see,
good
she is
example
not
for
she
all
is-
the
she has
people.
become the
Our leader,
agent of
Mrs. Priyanka
BJP.
Gandhi, has
Now,
clearly
she is
She
stated
becomes
agent
agent of the
that
BJP.
there
That's
should be
interesting.
an inquiry and the law should
Sanjay
take its
Rana.
course.
You
We
see,
should
Sanjay
not
Rana.
demonize it.
Okay.
All the videos-
Sanjay Rana coming
See,
to you.
Just
Huh.
a minute. Let me
Can I
give
just
me
ask
one
simple
one
pointed
point.
question?
One
Only
point.
one.
Let me give one point. When she was coming out of that incident on 13th, she was coming out. Nothing was there. She was just simply coming out and she
Sakal,
went
You
to
have
she went to
demonized
police
her.
station also.
The investigations
and there
are
was
still
nothing.
underway.
It's a
Sakal,
complot.
I know we have a
It's a
panelist who's not
fabricated.
spoken.
It's a shameful
Okay,
on.
I
Shameful
understand
on.
Allow me 20
Maliwal.
seconds to
Okay,
rebut.
fine,
Shameful.
fine.
3 months. She has gone from Singham Swati with the Rajya Sabha seat to the accused, according to them. That's my first question. Is that fair? My second question is, if you're saying Swati was lying, then are you saying the AIMS report is wrong? And my third question, you are accusing
Why
her of
after 3
corruption.
days? Why
You
after 3
are
days?
accusing her of
Why?
corruption. She was in
She
your
went
party.
she went to
She
police
is in
station
your party.
and there was no problem at that time. She was
Okay,
going, moving,
one
talking,
thing is very
everything.
clear,
She was doing.
that this
It's a
Swati
complot.
Maliwal, he
It's a
can continue
fabricated
shouting.
case and it's a shame
This
on,
okay,
Maliwal.
these
Shame
are
on
these.
Maliwal.
I think you're really fond of listening your own voice, but I'm sorry, there is no substance to it. There is no substance to it. I expected some clarity on Swati's issue. Since Swati is not present here physically and she cannot defend her case, it doesn't mean that you will just go hammer and tongs, sir. Coming to you.
Disgusting when I heard about he's talking about Swati Maliwal. Swati was there in party from last 20 years. She has been working with very closely with Mr. Kejriwal and she became a member of parliament obviously because of her work. And few days back, Mr. Kejriwal, a whole of the lot were talking about Swati that she's a tigress, she's a Singham, and now suddenly she's an agent. How can you disrespect a woman like this? He was talking about
Arvind
incidents.
Kejriwal
Hang on.
never
Can you please allow him to speak? Please.
He was talking about incidents happened on 13th. Why she's not complaining? Arey Baba, me too. Remember that? It's happened in 2006. You remember that Pahalwanawala case is happened in 2010. But people are complaining about the same. Na? If something happened, then you need to take cognizance and take the action, which you are not taking and blaming a lady. You should feel ashamed. Actually, you should feel ashamed. When they are talking about, I heard the speech of Mr. Kejriwal yesterday. He was talking about, "Mera office le lenge." Arey, he's such a liar. I'm telling you how come. Supreme Court has. Arey, hang on.
Let him finish. He did not
Supreme
interrupt
Court
you.
has given an order to vacate the office by 15th of June this year. And this order has given to Aam Aadmi Party by the Supreme Court last year September. They are making fool whom? They are making fool too. Making fool to जनता. He is talking about making हमने road बनवाए, हमने school बनवाए, अस्पताल. I'm just keep on asking the question to these folks. Could you help me to understand the name of the school or name of the hospital which you made in Delhi, a name of the institution which you have created before coming to power. 30 seconds of completing. Before coming
He
to
did not
before
interrupt you.
coming to power. Before coming,
You're not
hang
letting
on, man,
these-
hang on. You get the chance.
You're not letting
Yeah,
him speak.
before coming to power, he made the statement.
अरे
अरे बाबा, hang on.
को जवाब
Hang
तो
on,
देने
hang on.
दीजिए.
अरे hang on. Who's appreciating?
Atiq Khan, don't do
I-
this.
अरे
I am requesting you,
Such
don't
a-
get into this dramatics here, sir. Please,
he
we
is
want
such a
to have
liar,
a
I'm telling you.
conversation.
Let
Are
me
you
finish.
done?
Let
Yes,
me
yes.
finish. Before coming to the power, what they said, they are going to make 500 school in Delhi within 5 years. If you calculate 500 school in 5 years, that means you have to make one school per week. It is possible.
Okay,
It's
so what's the
absolutely
bottom
crap.
line? The bottom line is that the report card that they have been bragging about doesn't hold any ground when it comes to Lok Sabha polls, because you look at the past, it has not happened. So
It's-
this Kejriwal magic hasn't worked when it
Yeah.
comes to Lok Sabha
Yes.
polls. Then at least give me 6 big takeaways from your report card in Delhi, from women's
UPSC
safety to
exam.
pollution
Okay,
to
okay.
everything. Chaliye, let's hear it.
And job as well, employment.
Oh, job opportunities,
With
education.
proof and name of school and hospital, huh? With
This,
proof.
this has been proved.
Where?
Not-
Where?
Let him speak.
Where? In dream.
I'll
No,
go
I
back
will-
to my
I
full
will
question,
answer.
and I
Okay.
want
Nobody
6
will
points.
disturb.
Nobody will disturb. Okay,
Six,
go ahead.
education. It has been done very well, and the complete country
27%
knows.
in Congress government.
This is Modi ji again.
Okay, let's have
interfering
five-
hatred.
let's have name of
Hatred,
schools.
creating hatred, Modi ji.
Give me
You
name
see,
of 5
I will tell
schools.
you.
I want to know
In-
these schools.
in
where
Delhi-
they are.
in
I'll
Delhi-
send my reporter right now. Where are these schools?
I will just tell you.
Huh.
In Delhi, budget is the most important aspect.
Le-
Okay, they are free
Lo-
only in Delhi.
Congress party. There is this narrative building up, and I'm sure you will not, and Charu, you will not interrupt, please. The chemistry and the arithmetic between two of you, and I can see that now. Everybody can see the chemistry between the two. You know, it's not in place. I mean, it is definitely an anti-BJP alliance, but it is a rudderless alliance with no common aim. I don't see a common aim here. A. B. They rose to prominence in 2013, which was directly proportional to your decline in Delhi. You are just holding their hands because, obviously, for political gains. So this is not a Sheila Dikshit era. That's over for you. What are you thinking?
Sakal.
And was this? Could you sense any substance coming from Aam Aadmi Party? You yourself were very amused with the kind of rebuttals that he was coming.
I really don't know if he's the official spokesperson of the party.
Okay,
but
here you have the answer.
Sakal,
Yes.
post
Okay,
2013,
let's have the answer now.
Post 2013, a lot of water has flown in Yamuna, and whatever questions you were asking to him, you should tell
They
the
were very
people.
basic questions.
No, so I'll give you a very basic
It's
answer.
not about attacking Mr.
No, no,
Khan.
no.
It's about the party.
It's about Aam Aadmi Party, and
Yes.
I'm not their spokesperson, but because we are
But
in
you are their
alliance.
friend,
Yes,
aren't
we
you?
are friends.
Yeah,
We are in
alliance.
alliance. We have a common cause, and that is to give
So
nyay
you
to
will
the
not
people of
defend
Delhi.
them?
No, I'll tell you what.
Okay.
You should explain to the people the administrative structure of Delhi. Whoever is in the center, he holds commands over Delhi. The assembly in Delhi is like a toothless tiger. For everything, they have to go to the center. And the center has stalled a lot of projects. What Sanjay Bhai was saying, that Yamuna has not got clean, which is evident. But you should tell that the Ganga cleaning mission, 40% of that budget was supposed to be redirected towards Yamuna cleaning. The center did not do it. So whatever failures you are attributing to Aam Aadmi Party, it is failure of Prime
But
Minister
what about
Modi.
the National Clean Air Program?
Yeah.
Well, it was not Aam Aadmi Party. It was center, and center is implementing it.
But then
What
you are not
about-
seeing every winters, you see a layer of smog in this city. And then
So
you...
is BJP responsible for
I'll
this
tell you,
smog in
this
the
is
city?
collective responsibility of
Okay.
all the governments.
Okay, now
and
it-
central government being the big brother in Delhi,
Okay.
they hold more responsibility
So you
to this.
tell me now coming back. Okay, I got it. And now let me go back to my question. Simple question. After 2013, you have seen such a consistent decline that today you are compelled to join hands with some party like this, and they don't have answers here on the show at least. So and you're smiling. So I don't know what to make of it.
No, I am smiling because in 2019 also, which you attribute to us was the worst phase for Congress. We were the second largest party in Delhi. We had 23% vote share. And Aam Aadmi Party was on the third spot. And now that we have come together, because this is a fact that we share a common vote bank. People who empathize with us are same people who empathize with them. These are people from the lower strata of the society
Not
who are,
necessarily.
who are demanding
I
nyay.
disagree.
No, you can.
It's
We live in
okay.
a
Yeah,
democracy.
yes,
You
yes,
can.
yes.
But ultimately, because I am someone who has his political base in Delhi, I can tell you we have people who have common ideologies.
But these
and the-
desertions, but your own very close and prominent faces, without really taking names, I'm sure you know,
Yeah.
they ditched you. They jumped the gun. They jumped the ship. आपको तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता.
So, Sakal, when
नहीं पड़ता है ना?
when people of this city are rallying with us, they are telling us that these are the issues. Inflation is the issue. Unemployment is the issue. The clean air is issue. Clean Yamuna is issue. When people tell you this, you don't need such faces. Faces are created from the government, from the people only.
Okay, yes.
And now we are
Point
having those new faces now.
Pointing. Yes.
Now I'm going to respond to Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, but because Congress mentioned 23% vote share, let me remind them, yes, Aam Aadmi Party had barely 18%, yet they've given 4 seats to Aam Aadmi Party, kept only 3 for themselves. Right? So it is a disbalance of power, and that shows exactly the position Congress is in, not just in Delhi, in the entire country. Let me also remind you, cumulatively, both these political parties had 41% vote share. BJP performed 57% vote share. Now I am giving you facts, 18% vote share. But Bharatiya Janata Party had 57% vote share in Delhi in 2019. The reason? Clear leadership, clear vision, hard work on the ground, and a report card which speaks for itself, not like the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, I want to respond to his the theatrics that were going on, and I'm going to speak with RTI report. Their RTI report says 0 schools were made. Their RTI report said that Delhi Jal Board, from making a profit of 73,000 crore a year, is now in debt. It's in heavy debt. That's their doing. The third thing is the kind of money is they are trying to put in a so-called new classroom. Actually, only a fraction of it is used. That's the fact. They want to talk about water. Let's also tell them tankers come to Delhi colonies, and where tankers don't come, the water looks like Coca-Cola, if not cold coffee. That's the situation of Delhi on ground. Reality.
Okay. Now, what about the other situation on ground that we have seen in the last 5 years, the protests? Anti-farmers, NRC, CAA.
They are anarchists.
All these. Do you think
Why not?
it's going to play some? In fact, Mr. Rana, because Charu obviously is not going to take this one. Obviously, they'll debunk this whole thing. But these protests and the narrative that the opposition pushed the narrative against the government. Do you think that can hold also some sort of ground in these elections?
Keep on talking about inflation, unemployment, gas cylinder, and the Kisan which you have asked. When we talk
Kisan,
about
NRC and CAA both.
Yes, for question I'll give the answer one by one because it's very very important for everyone to know it.
Sir, objective.
Sir, hang on.
Mr. Khan.
Hold on your thoughts, man. When we talk about the inflation, the petrol price, when Mr. Bajpayee was there, petrol price was 34 rupees. When Congress left, it was 72 rupees. Inflation happened 115 times. Right now, I live in Noida. Petrol price is 96 rupees. Inflation from 72 rupees to 96 is 34%. तो जो परसेंट बढ़ा सिर्फ 34% बढ़ा. हम आते हैं आपको coming back to cylinder, gas cylinder. Hang on, sir, hang on. Non-subsidy का cylinder in 2004 it was 287 rupees. Hang on, I'm explaining everything. Non-subsidy का cylinder 287 rupees का था. And when Congress left, it was, I'm just giving a number, 1st January 2014 को 1241 का. आपको रेणुका चौधरी का एक बयान भी याद होना चाहिए. You remember the बयान of रेणुका चौधरी where she said 900 रुपए का सिलेंडर आप लोग नहीं खरीद सकते. तो they are अरे सर hang on boss. अरे hang on बाबा. Hang on. You don't remember the number. This is not the way we have to do the debate.
But I thought you were a communication expert. I thought you were a communication expert. That's what he said. Right?
I'm coming to the Kisan. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming to the. Hang on.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay.
Inflation 8.2 था 14 में, अभी है 5.5%. किसान पे आपको किसान is very very important.
Please.
अरे sir, hang on. MSP was there since 1965. Why they are not making? 2006, Swaminathan Ayog report submitted to government, and they have been sleeping.
What is the point?
Okay, so whatever these things are being created, this has been created and crafted and designed by the opposition party to defame the government. Do you think 97% of crop has been purchased on MSP?
But don't you think even if it is a designed narrative, the electorate is smart enough to decide whom to vote and why to vote?
People are very smart. This is the electronics era, social media era, and technology era. People know whom to vote, what to vote, when to vote, and how to vote. Number one. Number two, they know who's making fool to them and who's talking truth.
So is this vote going to be on the development paradigm
Absolutely.
in Delhi? What is the paradigm in Delhi this time around?
If you look at the people, those are sitting. Hang on.
Transparency International was sent back to. Sent back by Modi.
पूछ लेंगे.
Why?
People are sitting here. Youngsters are sitting here. You can go and ask them. They are not getting job. They are getting job. They are not getting peace.
I'm going to take questions now.
Same Delhi. If you remember a few years back, किसी भी चीज को हाथ न लगाया बम हो सकता. I have never heard this kind of statement.
You made your point. Congress, yes.
Sakal ji, because this is an audience-based show.
We are going to audience.
Yeah, just ask them in 2013-14 at what price the cylinder was coming to their house. Whatever let Sanjay ji say, people in this country know. You ask anybody what price was there. And one more thing, because on economics, when it comes to macroeconomics, all the numbers which they say, they are fudged.
He lost.
637 now 1000 plus. Now everybody
knows. No, Delhi cylinder is 903 rupees.
This is
No
not
subsidy
the way-
ka. Remember.
This is not the way we
Sakal
have
ji,
questions.
Sakal ji.
And please
I
finish
just
your
want- I
point.
just
Please
wanted
finish
to
your point. I
complete
want to
this.
take questions from here.
Because the base year revision which happened in 2021.
Everybody can see.
That is why the inflation
everybody
number have come down.
ask
Because if
question
anybody
to
who
Neeraj
understands
bhai,
A plus
what
B
was the
is
inflation
equal
as per
to not
CARG
AB,
report?
then he'll understand what the
8.2%.
equation
Right
is.
now it's 5%.
You just ask
Where
the
it
audience
was.
that what price the
Inflation.
cylinder
Was
they
the
were
We'll
getting.
move on from the inflation point.
All
Yes.
government agency was manipulated by
Oh
Modi.
my
All
God!
government
Oh my God!
No, no,
German
I
NGOs,
yes.
those who are
I
Charu,
reporting
Charu,
that
Charu,
message.
Charu. Okay.
I challenge
Charu,
you.
Charu, bas.
This
ठीक
is a
है.
public
You please
debate.
challenge after the show. आप
Sakal,
एक
this
दूसरे
is
को
a
challenge.
public debate
Go.
and the whole country is going to see this. Let's only keep things away from statistics, data, complicated things. Train badi, train better hui, airports bade. I am talking of simple things. Have the highways crisscrossing across the country become better? Have little villages now started talking about development, getting 5G connections? These are important issues. This is happening. On the global platform, India is doing better and better. Whichever parameter you look at, we are on the rise constantly, and
India's
that's because
position as a worst
Yeah, again,
now under
Akhil ji.
Modi ji. Criminal
Mr.
of the
Khan,
worst. Just you concern.
Mr.
Can
Khan,
you
I'm
ask one
criminal.
question?
Can I just file a defamation case about this
Who's
man?
releasing that data?
Criminal.
Mr. Khan,
NGO of Germany.
What are you talking about?
NGO of
Charu,
Germany is
you are
releasing
not
that
with
data,
national
and he's
television.
believing NGO.
By
He's not
talking like
believing his
this,
own country
Mr.
agencies.
Khan,
care for
Mr. Atiq
you.
Khan, who is an
Nobody,
Aam
nobody.
Admi Party
No,
supporter
Sakal, I'm
here.
taking this-
I don't think
I
you're
don't
even
have to
listening
ask
to my
this
question,
question.
sir. I don't
Because
think you're even
something
listening
going-
to my question.
I'm going to ensure
This is
action
one-way
is taken
communication.
against
Okay, let's have
defamation
questions.
It's a
like
one-way
this.
Okay, Charu,
communication.
hold on. Let's have some questions. Yes, go ahead.
Namaskar, my name is Aditya. I am pursuing law and I am in a third year. My caution was from Congress and Aam Aadmi Party both. I will just take 30 seconds. Sir, first of all, thank you. आज तक आपके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष स्वाति मालीवाल पर नहीं बोल पाए, लेकिन आपने बोल के ये क्लियर कर दिया कि आम आदमी पार्टी अपनी ही राज्यसभा के सांसद से हाथ खींच चुकी है. ये आपकी बातों से आज क्लियर हो गया. Now my caution is from Congress. Sir, in 2022 विधानसभा elections of UP, Priyanka Gandhi says लड़की हूँ, लड़ सकती हूँ. But no single statement of Priyanka Gandhi in this election on Swati Maliwal issue. Sir,
Neeraj.
will you speak anything?
Neeraj, yes.
Sakal ji, Priyanka Gandhi was the first person to react on Swati Maliwal. She said, because the complaint was not filed at that point, she said this is an internal matter, but investigation should happen. Whenever it is about women, we come from a party who has given respect to women by making them prime ministers, by making them presidents, by making them speakers in the assembly. And also we are from the party when an unholy incident of Nirbhaya happened in Delhi and everybody was saying what Congress is doing. We sent that girl to Singapore for
So coming-
her medical help.
Okay,
and
but
when she came back, she
you
could not
It
sustain.
was not. I mean, I don't think that is something which any government should really brag about.
No, no,
whether it
Sakal,
was
Sakal,
UPA or BJP at that
I'm
point in
telling you
time.
something. I'm
It
telling
is
you
a very
about the
important
approach.
issue. You
Sa-
please
Sakal,
don't
I'm
hurt
telling you
this
about
man.
the
It's
approach.
very
Listen,
important.
listen to this.
I'm sorry.
Sakal,
Mr.
Sakal,
Khan, we are
Sakal,
having
give,
a conversation.
Sakal, give
The
me 10
Congress
seconds.
continue. Please keep
Just,
quiet.
I was saying
He's
when I
asking
referred to Nirbhaya and the empathetic approach which we had, this regime, when it happened in Manipur, when women were paraded
You know what,
clothless,
Neeraj?
the Prime Minister did not have the
this
audacity
Manipur,
to
I
just
am-
go and speak something.
In every
You should not
state
have
where
double
Congress
standards.
gets
We-
cornered. You
I'm-
come up with Manipur. You speak
tell
about
me, no.
Manipur in Guwahati.
When I am telling you
This
the
is a
empathy
legit
with which
question.
we
This
work,
is
tell
a
towards
legit
women,
question,
you should
but
tell this to
not
the
a
BJP
question
also.
which will determine the vote here
Yes.
in Delhi.
Yeah.
My question
And
to
the
you is:
women in Delhi-
is Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Admi Party or the
I will
latest
answer
spate of?
I will.
It's
Arvind
for the
Kejriwal.
Congress.
Arvind Kejriwal.
No, it's for the Congress. It's not for you. Keep quiet. So, is it a sort of liability for you? You have liquor scam. Now you have this Swati issue. Then you have this whole washing machine. You keep talking about it. You know, you have really reduced the political discourse to an abysmal low, which is very, very unfortunate for the country.
Sakal,
We
I'll tell
need
you.
opposition, but we need a strong opposition.
The entire communication of India Alliance has been about the Nyay Patra which the Congress came. 5 Nyay's, 25 guarantees, which holds true for everybody in the audience. Now, when it comes to Aam Aadmi Party, we tell you this, that the kind of actions which are being taken against Aam Aadmi Party, it gives you a sense that it is somewhat fabricated, not in case of Maliwal, but when it comes to the way agencies have been probing this issue. The timing matters in this matter.
Okay.
And what we were
Point
saying,
taken.
what we were
Point
saying
taken.
that after
Madam,
4th, we'll not open that laundry again. We'll not open that washing machine. If they have something in their coffins, it will come out.
We'll be talking about issues. Yes, Mr. Khan, go ahead.
Asked about Aam Aadmi Party also. I will answer. You see, BJP is doing all kinds of blunders, but you are not mentioning small tribal issues, Maliwal, and then those are liquor issues, which has got trail proved. Is a proven trail
No,
that
it's not tribal.
BJP
This is
got
not my
55
answer.
crore from that person who is the
offensive
kingpin
that
of
he
this
thinks a
this
woman
Sharab Ghodala.
selfie is trivial.
Kingpin of Sharab Ghodala.
Sir, this is
Given
not my
55
answer.
crore to
Sir, you are not
BJP in
answering my
electoral
question.
bonds. It's
Sir,
very
you are not
clear.
answering my
Why?
question.
Why it is
Next
not
question.
taking
Next
action?
question.
Why?
Go ahead. Next question.
My question used to Congress. Congress always talking about India Alliance, but why you betrayed our leader Nitish Kumar, who led the foundation of India Alliance?
बताइए जी, नीरज जी.
वैसे तो we always talk about India,
Next
not
question,
India Alliance.
next question, yeah.
लेकिन this you
अब
should
next,
ask to
next,
Nitish
next,
Kumar ji. We had given him all the respect, but वो पलटू राम चाचा पलट गए तो what we can do?
I have one question for each of the parties. First, Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, you said you don't have funds from the center government. Kejriwal spent 53 crores on his house renovation.
Yes.
Can you speak on that?
You are
53
totally
crore on his house renovation.
This is approved by
No,
LG.
no.
काले अंग्रेज ने अप्रूव किया
No,
है.
no, you didn't. You have to question my. You have to question.
और मोदी जी 7 लाख का सूट पहनते हैं और
53 crore.
Don't engage. My humble request to DD News, take his mic away.
अपना एक एरोप्लेन लेते हैं 5 मर्सिडीज जो करोड़
What is your
करोड़ की है
next
वो
question?
अपने साथ लेकर के एरोप्लेन में
Mr.
लेके
Khan,
जाते हैं.
can I
मोदी जी
Mr. Khan,
और उन्होंने
Mr. Khan,
10,000 करोड़ से
please.
ज्यादा खर्चा
Okay, this is
मोदी
becoming
जी
too
प्राइम
much
मिनिस्टर
now.
ऑफ इंडिया क्या किया है हमने?
Okay.
The house renovation, which cost 53 crore, the money was passed, every single tender was below 10 crore. You know that? Multiple tenders were passed below 10 crore. Approvals are not
Don't
needed.
interrupt her, please.
Approvals are not needed of the LG. Underhandedly, tenders below 10 crores were approved and all that money was put in the Shish Mahal.
Next,
now
next,
speak
next.
with proof or don't speak at all.
Don't instigate him again, please, please.
I will
Go ahead.
reply.
Next question.
We have been talking about the BJP changing their candidates in Delhi, but why are we
Fresh
not?
candidates? Yeah.
Why are we not talking about Delhi Congress getting a candidate from other state as well as not from their own party,
You talk about some Kumar.
and to an
You're talking
extent,
about some Mr. Kumar.
I won't name, and to an extent
with
that
those
that their
blasphemous
own-
statements in the Delhi in Jawaharlal
Jawaharlal
University.
University.
Yes.
and to an extent that their own Delhi state president have resigned. So what
Okay,
Congress have to
Congress
say on that?
respond. Very good question.
After 10 years of BJP regime, all the questions are still for the opposition.
Which is not
Nobody is asking BJP
No.
what they have done.
They-
So this
they-
is interesting.
But
I'll
I'll tell
get-
you what more
Yeah,
is interesting.
yeah,
What
yeah.
more? It is not the
So-
audience here which will determine the outcome on
Yeah,
4th.
yeah.
The electorate
I have
is
told you we have
unforgiving.
crossed the majority mark already.
Okay.
We have
will
already
talk to
crossed.
them on 4th. We will talk to them on 4th.
So
You will
EVM
I'll,
की
I'll,
बात आप नहीं करेंगे
I'll
इसमें।
answer
Answer,
to his
answer.
question.
मैडम इसे भी क्वेश्चन कर
हाँ जी,
Because there's a lot of buzz about our Northeast Delhi's candidate.
Yes,
So,
let's have
yeah.
an answer, please, quite,
So
quite.
first point is that the FSL report which came in that matter, it clearly stated that all the videos and audios were fabricated, and it is sub judice. So I should not comment more on that. But what FSL report says, I've told you. Second thing, this guy about our candidate Kanhaiya, when he came to our party, he joined as a normal worker in the party. When Mr. Gandhi set off for Bharat Jodo Yatra, the 4,000 kilometers when he walked, Kanhaiya was walking alongside him. You all have those visuals. So a person who proved that he is dedicated to Congress's ideology, we have given a ticket to him. And I'll tell you, the biggest margin in Delhi, which you'll see, it will be between Manoj Tiwari and Kanhaiya.
Okay.
Can
okay.
I just
Yes,
say
Charles.
something? Neeraj ji said that a matter is sub judice. Fair enough, Neeraj ji, I respect that. Now there is another matter that is sub judice of a chief minister being out on bail. The first condition of that bail was to not talk about the Delhi liquor scam. What did he do? Pehle to he is, entrenched in this horrific thing that happened with Swati Maliwal, and all the speeches yesterday was only and only about the Delhi liquor scam. Is this not contempt of court?
Final 30 seconds from each one of you. I would like to start with the Congress party. What is your final number? Though आपने तो शुरुआत ही number से ही की, but 7 on 7 you're saying? And what gives you that confidence?
I'm saying-
Aam Aadmi Party's report card?
No, I'm saying Delhi is no different from the entire country. People are voting for the same issues. That is price rise. That is unemployment. That is the basic problems which BJP has created in people's life.
So on
they are
price
voting
rise
for
and
this.
unemployment,
Yes.
you will beat them.
Yes,
Or you
we are.
already-
We are beating them.
Achha, you are already
We are beating them.
before even the Delhi has gone to poll. They have beaten them even before the polls have taken place.
Sakal, because Delhi is no different from the entire nation. That's why.
Okay. Charu.
Bharatiya Janata Party under Modi ji's leadership has been a party that has delivered. The last 10 years, nobody is asking many questions because we are talking about a report card every single day. All you have to do is check on any parameter. Our report card is a placard we hold in our hands and we walk around. And for the next few years, we have a vision and we are giving you a guarantee. India is going to become a Vishwaguru. India is going to become a Vishwamitra and we will be developed. And that's our agenda. That's what all of us are working for.
Mr.
My
Khan.
last vote appeal, Delhi. I will not see any of you. Please go out and vote. Delhi should vote in record numbers this time.
This is not your campaigning platform. I'm
Please,
so sorry.
I'm not asking them to vote for me.
No. Yeah, they will go out and vote.
Yes,
Whatever
please
they
vote.
want to vote for. Yes, Aam Aadmi Party. 30 seconds.
First of all, I will tell about Aam Aadmi's performance and Arvind Kejriwal's.
30
बिजली,
seconds.
पानी, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य,
Okay.
रोजगार और सबसे बड़ी बात जो है वो है प्रॉफिटेबल बजट आफ्टर गिविंग ऑल दीज फैसिलिटी फ्री. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग एग्जांपल थ्रू आउट द कंट्री एंड थ्रू द वर्ल्ड एंड पीपल फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड दे कम एंड दे अप्रिशिएट एंड मोदी इज वांट टू स्टॉप इट बट दे डिडंट स्टॉप.
Okay.
Next is Modi ji performance for the last 10 years because the question must be asked from public to the Modi government because 10 years performance. Developing economy from a developing economy
Okay.
to make this country international agency has
Okay.
completed its underdeveloping economy.
Aadmi Party
And you
समझ
talk about
आया.
1947,
Aadmi Party,
you talk about
ठीक है,
2047,
Mr. Rana,
Viksit Bharat. I
this
don't think
was
when
a
you are doing
fantastic
worst thing in the
platform.
present, you are making blunder in the present. You cannot be trusted for any future
So this was
development.
basically,
is my
this
point.
was
Mr.
basically
Modi, you cannot
supposed
do
to
anything.
be a brilliant platform for the Aam Aadmi
Absolutely.
Party on the national news broadcaster to set the record right on the issues that they would want to come back to power. But they misused or perhaps mutilated this
Absolutely.
opportunity the
You're
way
right,
he has
you're
gone
right.
happen. Final.
Okay, when
So
you
what
talk-
holds sway in these polls? And
Okay,
we wrap
when you
up.
talk about this election, it's a very crucial and important election for Indians, and they are going to choose and elect a leader, those who's working for the country and the development of this country. They have seen everyone, those sitting here, those not sitting here, watching TV. They have seen last 10 years how government has worked, and government has worked in all the sectors, not particular to one sector. And the people will look at that that portion is very important for them.
How
and
tough is this going to be for the BJP to repeat the past performance?
I think it's going to be better than the
okay.
past.
Okay, better than the past. So that's it. Thank you very much, my Poll Pulse audience, for throwing those questions. Well, remember, 25th May is the date and 7 seats, and it's a very, very hardened and toughened contest this time around between the BJP and the so-called India Alliance, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress combined. But what is most important is the unflinching and unforgiving electorate of Delhi, Hamari Delhi. They will get to decide, and that's the final call they will get to take. Thank you very much, all of you. Mr. Rana for joining us. Mr. Atik, thank you for coming. Charu Pragya, bahut dhanyavad. Many thanks, and also Neeraji, thank you. And with that, it's time to wrap up this special edition of Poll Pulse from iconic Central Park in very, very iconic Connaught Place. The charm of Delhi is namaskar, and thank you for tuning in.